Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 261 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the live, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I'm going on the Mardi Gras. Can I get the fun times before I get on the cruise? Love the bagels on board, but why are they so small? Going on my first Thanksgiving cruise. Can I wear a turkey costume around the ship and in the MDR? Are there any larger ships going to be leaving out of Baltimore? And with the new arcade packages, can several guests use one?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is going on the Mardi Gras, and they wanted to know if it was possible to get the daily fun times for all 7 days that show the activities before getting on so they can plan out their days. John said he's afraid they don't do that. The things listed tend to change. Schedules are also done last minute depending on various things like demographics, operational things, so it can't be shared ahead of time because they're a lot of times modifying it while the cruise or just before the cruise goes. So, and we have rainy days. They change the fun times on those. So not everything is going to be the same from cruise to cruise. There is a Facebook group where people post the various fun times from all the ships, and we'll post a link to that in the description. Question two. This cruiser said the bagels on board for breakfast are excellent. They love them, but they wondered why the bagels are so tiny. John said it is a wonderful idea. A lot of people enjoy it. And remember, you can always order more than one. That said, the last cruise we were on, I ordered the salmon bagel. Liz got the protein bagel without meat. My bagel was, as they said, very small. Liz's was a normal full-size bagel. So I guess it depends on what you order, depends on the size of the bagel you get. I don't know. The couple times we've done it, they are definitely varying sizes. So if you like the bagels, it is on every ship now, and they are delicious. I recommend going to do it for sure. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. All right, question three. This cruiser asked, wait a minute, we know this guy. It's Zach from Cocoa Culture, and he asked this question, which is a good one. He's going on his first ever Carnival cruise, and it's in his first Thanksgiving cruise as well, on the Carnival Liberty. He wanted to know if it would be okay for him to wear his turkey costume on or around the ship and in the MDR. John said he sees absolutely no reason why he couldn't because it's not covering the face and it certainly looks like fun, but perhaps maybe not on elegant night, formal night, whatever you guys call it. He also thanked him for being so much fun and hopes the weather is lovely and hot because he doesn't want him to be a cold turkey. Our other friend, Mitch from the Cam Fan, commented on it and posted his amazing turkey hat that he'll be wearing on the same cruise. So you're going to see these two guys running around. Say hi. Question four. This cruiser wanted to know, will there be any larger ships leaving out of Baltimore, Maryland? Right now, it is the Pride. John said in November, the Carnival Freedom will be arriving there. My question is, will it have its whale tail back? That poor thing, it's burnt off twice. Maybe they're just like, the hell with it, we're not putting it back on. I don't know if I would, but last question. This cruiser wanted to know, with the new arcade packages, can one package be split between several guests, or does each guest have to purchase their own package? John said everyone does need to buy their own package. My question is, if anybody has bought this, can you do two machines at once? Do you just swipe it? Or is it inserted like in the casino where your card has to stay? So if you know the answer, put it in the comments so everybody else knows the answer. Thank you. That's been episode 261 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.